Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook kimchi. We will transform this vibrant, fermented dish into a delicious, warm meal, perfect for any occasion. Cooking kimchi mellows its tangy, spicy flavors, creating a comforting experience you will absolutely love. You will discover how easy it is to elevate simple ingredients into something truly special and deeply satisfying for dinner. To begin, gather your main components. 1 cup of well-fermented kimchi, which offers the best flavor. You will also need 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, like sesame or vegetable, and about 8 ounces of your chosen protein. Sliced pork belly, chicken, or tofu all work wonderfully. Fresh vegetables like onions or mushrooms are fantastic additions, bringing more texture and nutrients to your dish. First, finely chop your kimchi into bite-sized pieces for easier eating. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of your chosen oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat for about 1 minute. Add your protein, searing it until it is mostly cooked through, which typically takes 5 to 7 minutes. Then, introduce the chopped kimchi and any firm vegetables, stirring everything together gently to combine the flavors. Now, it is time to build deeper flavors in your dish. Add about 1/4 cup of kimchi juice or vegetable broth to the pan, ensuring everything stays moist. You can also include 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the tanginess. Reduce the heat to medium-low, cover the pan, and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing all the ingredients to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.